Are you looking for the best electric pressure cookers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric pressure cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. COMFEE 7-in-1 Multi-Cooker 3-Quart. The COMFEE Multi-Cooker is a versatile kitchen tool that helps you prepare a variety of meals with ease. It combines 7 cooking methods: pressure cooking, rice making, sautéing, slow cooking, sous vide, steaming, and warming, so you can save space and time. The precise sous vide function lets you cook foods evenly at low temperatures, locking in moisture and flavor for perfect steaks, fish, or veggies. Its ceramic-coated pot heats evenly and keeps your dishes tasting fresh and healthy, while being easy to clean. With smart preset programs, this cooker simplifies meal prep, making it a great choice for any home cook. What we like: multifunction cooking options, fast cooking time, easy to use, large capacity, simple cleaning process. Number 2. T-fal Clipso Aluminum Pressure Cooker 22-Quart. The T-fal Clipso aluminum pressure cooker reduces cooking times by up to 70% compared to conventional cooking, making it a fast and efficient kitchen tool. Its durable aluminum construction ensures even heating and long-lasting performance. The cooker features a secure locking mechanism, a steam release valve, and a gauge to monitor pressure for added safety. It also has sturdy handles for a comfortable and secure grip. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction. What we like: easy to use, fast cooking time, good for small batch canning, quiet operation, efficient gas usage. Number 3. Barton 8QT Pressure Canner. Barton 8QT Pressure Canner is a fast and convenient cooking option that preserves flavors and nutrients. The cooker is made of polished aluminum material and comes with customized silicone seals for safety protection and durability. It has an 8-quart capacity that is perfect for daily family use. The pressure cooker traps steam inside to create hotter temperatures, and its tight seal locks in heat, moisture, and flavor. What we like: durable construction, fast and efficient cooking, good safety features, easy to use and clean. Excellent value for money. Number 4. Presto 8-Quart Aluminum Pressure Cooker. The Presto 8-Quart Aluminum Pressure Cooker is a smart choice for preparing today's lower-calorie foods. It cooks 3 to 10 times faster than ordinary cooking methods, saving time, energy, and money. The pressure cooking preserves flavors and nutrients, while tenderizing lean cuts of meat. The cooker is made of strong, heavy-gauge aluminum for quick, even heating, easy cleaning, and long life. It works on electric, smooth top, and gas ranges. What we like: preserves flavors and nutrients while tenderizing lean cuts of meat. Cooks 3 to 10 times faster than ordinary cooking methods, saving time, energy, and money. Strong, heavy-gauge aluminum for quick, even heating, easy cleaning, and long life. Number 5. Universal 4.75-Quart Aluminum Pressure Cooker. Introducing the Universal Aluminum Pressure Cooker, a versatile and durable cooking companion for your kitchen. This lightweight and resistant pressure cooker is perfect for preparing all types of food, from tenderizing meat to cooking soups and sauces. With its external seal and multiple valves, this pressure cooker ensures that the pressure stays within a safe range, preventing any accidents. The Universal Aluminum Pressure Cooker is compatible with electric, gas, and glass ceramic stovetops, making it suitable for almost any kitchen. Plus, it comes with a 25-year warranty, guaranteeing its high quality and longevity. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Universal Aluminum Pressure Cooker today. What we like: lightweight and resistant, versatile and multi-purpose, compatible with various stovetops,